Meanie, this anger business is gonna get the best of you if you aren't careful. If you can't control your rage, there's gonna be some serious consequences.
Rage? Me? Why, Doctor, I'm surprised at you. You know I'm the picture of calmness and serenity.
Now that's a step in the right direction. Here's your bill. See what I mean?
Let's see what's on the agenda for today. Sleep, 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 more sleep. The Healing Games!
I've got to relax. Oh. Maybe I'll just take a nap. That'll help me unwind. What do you think you're doing?
I'm getting ready for the Healing Games.
Ugh, you're no Scotsman. You're just a woodpecker.
Ah, are you daft in the head, woman? Can't you see me red mane? I'm a woodpecker by birth, but I'm a mackpecker by the grace of God.
Well, healing games or no healing games, I have a condition. This is a rooming house, and you know the rules. You have to be quiet. You're aggravating my condition. Can't you see I'm trying to relax?
Ah, I'll take it outside, lass. Hoot! 'Tis a bunny Scottish morn. How am I supposed to practice in all this mucky-muck? I'll have to practice indoors. I've got to practice for the wild card event, wrestling with the Loch Ness Monster. What am I gonna use for Nessie? You're looking mighty fierce this season, Nessie. But you're no match for a McPecker.
Perhaps a nice cup of tea will soothe my nerves. Huh? What are you doing up there that's taking up all my water pressure?
Woohoo! I've got you now, Nessie.
Now what's going on up there?
If I wrap the hammer in a towel, it'll only make a wee bit of noise.
Are you insane? Not only have you interrupted my rest and destroyed this room, but you're starting to get on my nerves!
But the Healing Games...
I don't care! I have to rest!
What to do? I've got to train for the boulder toss. Ah, one heave couldn't harm anyone. Who's gonna notice one toss?
Woodpecker, you're trying my patience. I'm not going to tell you again to be quiet. You are aggravating my condition! Oh, dear. My condition. I have to call the doctor.
Now just calm down.
I can't take this anymore!
When you feel yourself getting aggravated, just count to 10.
Count to 10!
I left me caber back in me gym locker. I'm a disgrace to me clan. What am I to do now? 'Tis a gift from the gods.
Now, counting is very relaxing, Meanie. Go ahead, try it.
Okay, here goes. 1, 2.
What have I done? I'll be kicked out of the clan for sure. Ugh. What a mess we got here. She's wired up all wrong. I'll just use a little Woodpecker know-how. We'll just wear the childhood memories into the anger. By the grip in my ear, that oughta do her. 'Tis a great sight indeed. Good as new.
That crazy Woodpecker is at it again! This time I'll show no mercy. This time I'll...
Happy, good Woodpecker.